Hey guys, I gotta roll this big old guy out. Actually, this push is real easy for being how big it is. This thing pushes pretty easy with one hand on concrete here. Okay, now what we're gonna work on is this lawnmower. The owner brought me some parts. I don't know what part that is, but brought me some carburetors for this machine and that machine out there takes the same carburetors. So I'm going to get this one up and going, put new carburetor on it, put fresh gas in it, see if we can get her fired up and get the blade sharpened. And then when this one's done, bring in that one over there and put the other carburetor on. So I got to bring my little stand in here so I can get it up in the air so I'm not bending over and killing my back and shit like that. So I'll be back when I get the new carburetor on and get this up and running. Well, hey guys, I just checked these carburetors with this one and they're the wrong ones. Yep, wrong carburetors. So now I'm gonna have to go in my box of used parts and yeah, try to find something. Find a carburetor in here that matches up with that carburetor. That almost fell out of the bag. That was stuff. Lot of small carburetors for chainsaws and weed trimmers and shit. I also have a lot of carburetors for no, that's not it. And look at the gook coming out of that carburetor. Man. See. No. Not that one. Definitely not this one. Oh. See what I'm saying? Looks like they're matching. But the problem is that this carburetor has a broken piece on it. This is broken. See, this isn't broken. So this carburetor is a good running carburetor. I should know. But it's broken. Um, This one has a screw in there where you can take that butterfly out and pull that right out. This one doesn't have a fucking screw. My bad. I gotta go on this one. But the part that's broken doesn't have a screw in it. And it doesn't have a screw on that. So, we're gonna have to figure out how we can get these out to replace it, or take the guts out of this in here and blow them out and clean them up real good and just put it in here. Something. I don't think I have another carburetor in here that's got that mechanism on it. No. Yeah, that's a heavy one. Nope, that's the only carburetor that. But these. Huh. Alrighty, well, let me get back to work. Let me see if I can get this machine up and running with making one work with the other or whatever. There you go. One is done. Well, here's the other Toro mower. Push mower. Same thing. I got a carburetors on this side instead of the other side, like the other one. So, alrighty. Let me break this down and get the carburetor off and see if it's the same as that one or if it's the same as the new ones that came in. Hey, sorry to bring this up, but have you guys had this? It's chestnut blue raspberry lemonade thing. Oh my god, dude. If you guys ever get a chance to try that, you should try it. It's pretty good. And what's fun about it is you can make slushies out of this. You know, freeze a little in a glass and keep an eye on it. And when it starts to turn solid, then that's when you pull it out and you kind of smash it up, and it'd be like a little slushy, and it'll taste pretty good. So, yeah, try that out. Well, an update on the other Toro mower. Come to find out, I do know what these carburetors go to. These carburetors go to this machine right here. So we will be putting new carburetor, new hose, new fuel filter, new spark plug, and gaskets and stuff on it today. At least on one. And the new filter and stuff is over here. So flip this over. Old one, aftermarket one. Old one, aftermarket one. Exactly the same. So, alrighty. Well, let me get this all put together and see if she'll take off. Two for two, baby. Let's go.